my channel. So I am currently on my way to get my makeup done because Stefan and I are taking our engagement photos today. So I know I haven't been giving you all too much content regarding our wedding, and that's because things have been changing. So I am going to you know, roll out some footage for you all to keep you all updated and in the loop, and of course there'll be a few surprises here and there. So make sure you are of course subscribed, and make sure you keep checking back. I post on Sundays, every single Sunday at 1:00 p.m. If anything comes up for me, I will let you all know when I don't post, but make sure that you are subscribed so that you can keep in touch with what's going on all wedding teams, okay? Okay, y'all, so I got my makeup done and I look like a different person, but we are kind of on a time crunch. Need to get my hair curled. I have my flat iron from home, and then I have this curling iron that I just picked up. It's by Kiss. It actually has like 5 different barrels that you can use to curl. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use this to curl just to make sure that all of my curls are consistent. I don't know if it starts getting a little iffy, go back to my handy dandy flat iron, because I can definitely make something shake with this flat iron, because this is my oldie but goodie, okay? But just to give you all the deets on the hair, I did get a wig installed. So this is a wig, and you see the lace closure. I didn't get a lace frontal because I felt like it would be too much work. It is 18 inches, and I am just going with curls because it just seems a little bit more simple or whatever. So just for the look that I'm going for. So yeah, I will leave Mecca's all of her information down below. She actually made the wig, constructed the wig, and installed the wig for me, and I am going to use this wig for when we get married. So we'll be styling this as well. So also for my makeup, I will leave Essence information as well down below, because she did give me a natural glam look, which is what I was going for. I did add eyelashes, which is something that I'm not used to doing, but voila, I did it, and they're starting to grow on me. So that's that on that. So I curl all of this. I am using this one because it's just like second nature. I was using this one to kind of like lay these flyaways down. I do not have a wax stick, so I think I might throw just a tad bit of water up there just to see what that does. Let's see. I feel like it may. Yeah, the water helps it lay down just a little bit. Okay. Something is causing some static, but let me just go ahead and curl. So whenever I curl my hair, I do curl away from the face just to help frame my face. Babe, did I get all the hair curls?
You made it up, baby. You look real good. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna leave the curls just like sitting in here while I get dressed. What time is it?
4:11.
Okay, I do got a little time just to steam my dress really quickly, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, y'all, so we are back home. We are actually getting ready to have a burger and some fries because we are hungry. We have been hungry, honestly, since getting my makeup done. So it has been quite a while. We actually are super excited for the photos, and we are super excited for you all to see them as well. So make sure you are following me on Instagram because most likely I will post images over there when we get our gallery back. So super excited for that. And we saw some shots, so you know, hoping that the rest will also come out great. So we're just super excited about that. Yeah, so gonna have dinner and I'll check back in with you all later. Y'all, so I know that first of all, it's gonna be an echo in here, okay? Because there's nothing in here. I know that you all saw me in a similar apartment like this yesterday, and I didn't give you all the details. So I am just packing up little stuff that my sister left over in her old apartment. She had this apartment prior to purchasing her house, so it was something very temporary. So I guess I'll give you all like a little empty apartment tour. How about that? Let's do it. Okay, so right here is basically where I am standing. It's like the common area, sitting area, and you will enter from that door over there. I couldn't show you all from that angle because of course we have all of these windows and such right here, which causes the light to look differently. A patio right here, very nice size. She had her TV and stuff set up there. Of course, kitchen and pantry, so really nice appliances and really nice large sink. I know that this is something that she was having issues with when she was here, so they're probably gonna fix this or replace the entire thing because she did let them know about that. Nice cabinets. Really love white cabinets. That's just my personal preference. And she had a pantry. Really nice. And right off here, you go into the bedroom. A queen size bed was able to fit nicely in here, as well as with the dresser and such. And closet. I know she complained about the closet a little bit, but overall it's not too small. It is pretty decent, and you can walk inside of it just like that. Nice windows too, of course. And then you have bathroom right here. This is where I was yesterday getting ready. Nice countertops, a lot of cabinet space. And you have like the double sinks right there. Toilet. Behind the door is nothing. I thought it was a linen closet here, but she had all of these shelvings. She had this like really nicely decorated, by the way. Toilet paper, towel rack, and nice walk-in shower. I know that this is her shower head up here that she actually added on. The one that came with the apartment is right here, so she just left that there for them. But really nice shower. And you come through here, so your guests will use this door to get to the bathroom. And washer and dryer combo, stackable. And right here is just like heater, whatever, thingy-majig. And there's a coat closet right here by the door, off of the bathroom, off of the kitchen, as soon as you come in. That's pretty much it. It was like a temporary apartment when she came back from New Orleans. I know you all saw that vlog. I made sure it's linked in the card. I am just here really just to turn her keys back in to help her out because she helps me out a lot. And that's what we do for each other as sisters. So I did decide to go to Ulta because I really wanted to try the Ordinary products because Essence used these on my face the day prior. So when I got home, I went ahead and washed my face with the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. And I went in with the Glycolic Acid by the Ordinary, which served as my toner. I did use a cotton pad to pat this all over my face. And one of these benefits of using this toner is for dullness and uneven texture. So I am trying to see if I'm going to see progress with this. You all know I have been on my own acne journey for the past few years due to switching birth controls, not taking birth controls. I'm also going to follow up with this hyaluronic acid by the Ordinary, and this is to replenish moisture and provide my face with hydration. And I am going to smooth that in very, very gently, being careful not to irritate my skin. I do have a few active breakouts right now, so I am monitoring very closely on how my face reacts. And of course, following up with this moisturizer. This moisturizer comes in a small bottle, but a little bit goes a long way. So after I make sure I have those products set into my skin, I am going to proceed with winding down for the night.